Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Fiat 500e. So in one of the cases this was a super treasure hunt, but sadly I don't have that. So let's let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. Yeah, this is not STH or anything. This is just a normal one. Okay. So even though it's a normal one, honestly the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. The golden paint job. There is a little bit of glittery paint job. So it has rear view mirrors, which is really nice, and it's a small and cute car. The livery is really nice. It has headlight details, which is really good. Okay, it has turn indicators and everything. And the Fiat, logo placement is really nice. Even though it's a bit messed up, there are no taillight details as usual. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. So it has good interior detailing to it. If you guys want to see, let me just okay. The interior does look really nice. So this is open actually, it doesn't have any, like windshield here. Okay. So the tires are actually plastic. Let's weigh this casting now. Wow, that is nice. For a smaller casting, it does like the weight is like 31 grams, which is really nice. And I hope really this rolls really well. Let's see. It does roll really well. It may not reach it in let's give it another one or two more tries and see. Okay. Third try now. Okay, it didn't reach the end, but still it rolls really nice. I mean, it is cute. It can be your daily pocket car. Personally, I love this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.